New York, Madison, and Onondaga. Winter weather advisory now in effect from noon today to 7 a.m. Thursday. What? Lake effect snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 7 inches. Northwest winds gusting as high as 35 miles per hour will cause areas of blowing and drifting snow. Where? Onondaga and Madison counties. When? From noon today to 7 a.m. Thursday. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. Areas of blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. The cold wind chills as low as 15 below zero could result in hypothermia if precautions are not taken. Additional details, snowfall rates around 1 inch per hour are expected for a time later this afternoon into the evening hours. Slow down and use caution while traveling.